Alright, ladies and germs, a quick announcement before this video begins. I'm having a pop-up this weekend in Houston, Texas for all you guys. It's this Sunday. All the information is down below if you'd like to meet me and get some dope-ass shit, some vintage stuff, and some little custom creations I've been working on. Then pull the fuck up. And if you guys aren't from Houston but are from New York, I'm going to be in New York the 20th of this month at another pop-up. All the info for both will be down below. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Thank you. What's up, people? Hey man, what's up? What's good? It's Poindexter Cantu. Back at you with a trip to the Thrift. I like spinning it. Hopefully I don't get too dizzy and fall over. But we're in the best place on earth, which is the Family Thrift Outlet. Everything is $2 today. Starting off with a little Speedo swimwear. And we'll see what else we can dive into up in here, man. We in there. Light swimwear. Michael Phelps with the swim moves. Oh, holla back. And the first little piece we have is this nice little forest green polo jeans by Ralph Lauren. All bars. Sheesh. Finna take off on spaceship. Check it out, guys, man. We got like a little Houston champion pocket rockets. Little tank top. Perfect for my city, you guys know. It's H-Town, Texas, Brazewood, baby.
It's H-Town, Texas, Brazewood, baby.
This is a cool little champion piece. And hello, daddy. It appears we have another one right here. This little champion jacket. Very cool. It says champion all down the sleeve. Got some nice little blocking going on right there all over the frame. Little C, the red on red. Little C in the pull tab of the zipper. Champion authentic athletic apparel. Yo, this is like my whole childhood encapsulated on one tee, except only when I was on vacation or at my grandparents' house, because as a child I did not have cable, dude. I was deprived of all these shows, but somehow I still managed to watch a good little few of them. But bro, I was straight watch Reading Rainbow, Zaboomafoo, Zoom, Arthur. It was just PBS on deck, and that's about it. Also, a little side note, another little piece we got is that Tommy for your mommy. There also was a comment where someone was like, yo, my 10-year-old son is in the store just like screaming Tommy for your mommy. Dude, that's a beautiful thing. Oh, hell no, bruh. Oh my God, look at these. I'm sorry to those shorts too, but look at these. Are they Nautica? Yes. Little Nautica trunks for kids. Yeah, it's about that time, baby. Accident on the way. Tripping. Oh, hell yes, dude. Hell yes, daddy. Look at this, man. I'm a motherfucking star boy. You got the Weedham Boys, Dallas Cowboys, vintage jacket, size extra large. I really like starter jackets when they do have that black frame because they won't get stained, as is the case with a lot of the white ones right there. But again, nice little 90s color blocked piece. Can you imagine just being a coach on the sideline just like rocking this hard starter jacket? Bro, that'd be like a dream come true. Also, I know you guys are probably missing Lil Kinky Twist, as am I. That fool got schlizzard on his birthday and is still in full recovery mode right now. So I guess he did it right. He did it big. The silk icon. Look at this little clean essential, daddy. That Patagonia why can't I read that? I want to say, dude, I think I'm dyslexic. I want to say cinchillin, but it's a chinchilla or cinchilla. Bro, I can't read, dude, like straight up. But yeah, it has that nice little Patagonia insignia, very high quality, and $2. It gets no better than that. Yes, sir. Shout out the USC condoms, baby. Look at that. Atlanta Braves all day. Yo, WTF. No hook on there. Whoa, these shorts look cool. Are they Speedo? Holla back. Whoa, these look really short. Like, if you got a long hog, let's just say that thing's gonna peek out the pig pen. Wow. But no, I found this little North Face jacket right here. The North Face right there. It got like 3 different types of textures and colors of material on it. Oh, wow. Very, very nice. The North Face in the zipper insignia. And then the North Face tag right there, daddy. One hell of a find. Ooh, this is a slept on brand, baby. That Eddie Bauer. They actually had Eddie Bauer editions of the Ford Aerostar, which is a Thrift Chariot that I drive. And they have like woods and trees in the seats, but it's just a really clean piece. It's like that Ebb Tech. It's a really nice colorway, simple graphic. I like stuff like that, man. Like sometimes not always flex out, so I'm just rocking like a striped shirt right now, because sometimes the subtlety is what actually matters. It's not always about flexing. Jesus, look at that big ass horse on this guy. See, look at this, man, poloed out. Polo trunks with a big ass horse. Oh man, you already know the motto. You ain't winning if you are not twinning, baby. We got the Jimmy Buffet or Jimmy Buffett twin tie-dye tees. Very cool. I'm fly like a parrot. Yeah, damn it. Definitely very vintage from 1918, as you guys can see. Love it. Ooh. Bro, sometimes I'm all about the textures. And this little Cotton Trader Sport definitely has the texture of a Coogee sweater on a polo. Hello, I'm gonna get it. Bro, that's what a Wolverine looks like? That thing looks vicious. Oh, damn, look at that ass. Nice. Oh my holy Jehovah. Look at these two little vintage tees we got here. Woohoo. The textile prints made in USA. Hey man, for all you guys freaking out over single stitch, it's single stitch in this bitch. It has like a little blood splatter shot, that boy Dexter. But I love the little horizontal stripes right here. None of them are perfect. They're like made with paint, it appears. Different brush strokes for different folks. And you got the O'Neill. Very nice vintage tee as well. Definitely a boxier fit. This is like an old 90s like skateboard looking like vibe and aesthetic, like LA looking shit right here. Pink and this little teal blue for Cantu, man. I'll take both of you home with me. Oh my God, Mira, how sick is this? You got Jaws in the black pearl on this little SeaWorld Great White Shark tee. Very nice. I just love double-sided tees like this. Mwah. Immaculate. Givenchy. God bless you, bro. Oh, that wasn't even an act, but check this out, man. I found that Givenchy, God bless you, vintage windbreaker. So old school 90s designer in the Thrift right here. Givenchy activewear. God, this tag is all types of stained up. This person was definitely putting in work in the gym. It has that nice little piece of jewelry up on it right there. Very crispy. Givenchy embroidered on the breast, and just a really nice little color block palette. Oh, dude, something for real is up in that jacket, bro. This shit got my allergies acting all types of up. But yeah, man, it's crazy how like the designer brands now releasing all these dad shoes, and back in the day, they really were with the shits with the windbreakers, as was Nike, boy. Yes, Nike boys, we don't do three stripes. Little Nike white tag, or should I say like off-white tag, shout out Virgil. Windbreaker, very, I was gonna say clean, but it definitely stained up, needs a nice thorough washing. And then last but not least, you got a purple, black, and white color blocked windbreaker. Have a nice little three-piece set, and all of them were right next to each other. Indicating that someone donated all their windbreakers and put their power walking days behind them. Whew. Yo, look at this. You got Jesus straight up sweating blood. Yeah, the back of this shirt is so dope. I really hope it fits me. There's like a personal collection cop, of course. It's holy, it's divine, it's devout. It's Jesus de Cristo. Yo, rhyme so long, rhyme so strong, I flex my bicep, then I swole on, huh? Check it out, man. You got the all embroidered Taz and Bugs Bunny putting in work in the gym. Whoa, homie did not secure the weights. Something bad is definitely about to occur right there. Nice little essential Warner Brothers tee. And then another essential with the same gang is this nice little denim button up right here. I just love the color block patches on the elbows. Very classy. Then that LT Looney Tunes classic Warner Bros tag right there. The attention to detail is just crazy on these older pieces, man. That's why I love them. And that's why I do this, daddy. Oh, holy hell, dude. Hands down. One of the best soundtracks of all time, baby. You got the Pocahontas. Dude, this is staying in my personal collection. I don't care. I love this movie. Not really the movie, but the songs, like... Okay, do that, bro. Okay, do your thing. But like Colors of the Wind, bro, Just Beyond the Riverbend. Come on, man. Savages? Are you joking me? This is a beautiful ass piece. And it's embroidered. Oh, yeah, baby. This piece, come on, hook on there. This piece, wow, that looks terrible. This thing looks like a stale piece of wet bread. But the color blocking is great. Okay, so on that note, man, we're gonna head into the next Thrift or wherever the hell we're going and see what's up with it. Yo, fellas, all right, guys. So I'm tired as hell, man. We jumped out of the last store and we entered another family thrift. And guys, I stumbled upon 3 beautiful ass jerseys, all Fly Emirates sponsored. You got the PSG, Paris Saint-Germain. Oh, Nike Aeroswift jersey, not to be confused with Aerosmith, the band. You also got the Puma Arsenal jersey, Fly Emirates again. Then you have the Adidas AC Milan jersey. Oh my God. Bro, I played soccer since I was 4 years old, so this is definitely a come up in my opinion. Love it, dude. Love it. Oh my God. Bro, I see like a hockey ring Philly nigga on flyer. Dude, they have the single stitch paper thin Philadelphia Flyers vintage tee is $2 on the jerseys made in USA tag. Oh man, this is so soft. I want to just drape it on my titties. Yo guys, holy hell man, I got 2 little animal encrusted tees that are amazing, dude. This little vintage tee is so crispy. Like the screen printing is built up. It has 2 what are those called, Siberian tigers, Las Vegas tee, like on some Sigmund and Freud. It is vintage, whoa, made in Kyrgyzstan. Wow, that's definitely exotic. And then you got the fishes that get you hella bitches Guy Harvey tee. This is just such a high quality tee with all the red fish. Just the print is absolutely immaculate. It's like $5. Either I'm gonna keep it if it fits me way too huge. I'm gonna give it to my papa, even though he is happily married to my mother. But still, man, fishes will always get you hella bitches, bruh. Yo, loose freaking go, boy. Hey, my homie Matt, I picked up one of these. And yeah, now I got one, son. The Magic Kingdom Mickey in pristine condition. This guy is absolutely flawless. Oh my God. What? You're a wizard, Mickey. Oh my God, dude. Swaggy, bruh. Bro, he's tweaking. Oh God. Bro, they really pulled up with the mason jar wine glasses. Are you joking me? Tripping. All right guys, so I'm checking out. Shout out the lovely Mary who's right here. Anyways, it's my wife. But there's a bunch of shoes back there, and then I saw these metallic 5s just glistening in the light. These are big boy size 14. They're actually $14, which is fitting for their size. But yeah, these are crazy, man. You got the Jumpman right there. It's the beautiful metallic tongues. Yeah, pretty clean condition, honestly, in the Thrift. I'm very satisfied. Yeah. It's that time. I'll get them. Thank you, Mary. I love you. Look at that. Oh, I'm getting Mickey too. Yeah, once I found Mickey, I knew it was going down. That's when the magic happened. That's 6, right? That's it already. All right, guys, so we out of there, man. I got the Jordan Metallic 5s, the Mickey, and a sack full of flame. I'm very pleased with my purchases, especially this Mickey, man. I was afraid they would tax $10 on him, but I got him for a cool $6. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, so we've hopped into one last spot, bro. And I'm hyped. They have this FC Barcelona Nike all embroidered jersey. This is straight up from the Ronaldinho when Messi was number 30, Ronaldinho's number 10 era. $6. I don't know what's going on with the soccer jerseys today, but they got them. And then they also have the Deion Sanders jersey. It's a youth XL, so it's like an adult small. Easily, very clean, very flawless. Shout out that boy Deion. He was that dude. Ooh. Oh my God, bro, another one, dude. This is actually a come up, dude. They got this neon colored Elvis tee. Bro, this shit is from 1987. Oh wait, no, it says 1989. That is wild. That boy hitting his jig on that thing. Damn, that's crazy. It's on a Screen Stars tag. Paper thin, very soft. It was a size large, now probably about a size medium. 99 fucking cents. Damn, that shit is crazy as fuck. Oh my God, what is up with this kid's face? But more importantly, what is up with this dude's face? And this guy's face. Okay, it's getting crazy up in here, dude. It's getting real creepy and crazy. They got dog candles and shit. Oh hell no, bro, it's time to leave. All right guys, so I think we're gonna wrap it up with this, man. So I started at that side of bags, have worked my way all the way down here. And in this last section, I see a bag for $1.91. And it has a bunch of the California raisins inside of it. The Crazy Raisins. This dude has a surfboard. This chick got her hair done. Oh my God, they're all doing different things and activities. This dude is skating, bro. Oh my God, all right. This is actually crazy. And all these are like from the 80s. If you guys aren't familiar with the like commercials, then behold it with your eyes. A visual blessing of claymation.
Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered, I'm yours.
I love Mickey Mouse. Look at this in this little cart of... You were a Tweety fan? Yo, in this random cart by the checkout line, I was about to leave and they came through with the plush Mickey, high quality. It's that time. Oh man. Oh my dear God, guys, I'm back right now. I'm so tired, but I need to make sure I shoot the conclusions to these videos. I'd be lying if I said my favorite finds from the day probably weren't these plushes. Someone's been asking for a plush, wow, I can't speak, a plush collection video, and I may have to do that very soon because I just got 2 more Mickeys to add to the collection. This one I might sell along with a lot of the clothes you guys saw today at thriftheavenvintage.com. That's my website. It's linked down below. It's the best way you guys can support me. But this one, the magical one, I definitely do have to keep. So these are really dope. But what got me super hyped were the California raisins, guys. Like, I want to show y'all like a few of them. Like, look at this girl's hair. Oh my God, what is she doing? We got a dude on skates with like a ball cap. Oh my God, that dude does not want to get caught. These guys got like surfboards and like trumpets and shit. Oh man, it's just so sick. And then also what was like a consolation prize is this random like Oreo animated like character. So these guys are all super old. 1988 is like the stamp on all their feet. So I just am so beyond satisfied with these dudes right here. Like, this guy's like going bowling, guys. Like, that shit is absolutely crazy. It says raising your average on the back. What the hell? But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe. Live the dream, eat that ice cream. Peace and love. I'm locked and loaded. And until next time, Sus Squad, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get